Hi, I'm Jacob Rueter. I'm an application engineer here at Stratasys. Today I'm going to talk about using additive manufacturing to create assembly fixtures on your factory floor. Assembly fixtures are work-holding tools that position parts to ensure proper assembly. Some of the pain points using traditional manufacturing for assembly fixtures are that they're often heavy. They also take a lot of time to set up and take down when you're switching from one operation to the next. And a lot of times they're not ergonomic to the end user. Some of the benefits of using additive manufacturing for creating your assembly fixtures are that often you can reduce the weight of the tool as well as customize the tool for the operator and often reducing lead time. For example, Stratasys, a Tier 1 automotive supplier, they provide tooling to the automotive industry. They were able to reduce the weight of one of their automotive assembly fixtures from 150 pounds to less than 50. For another example, Opel, who's a major European auto manufacturer, was able to reduce the lead time of their production tools from weeks to a number of days, as well as reduce the cost up to 90%. Depending on the size of tools that you're looking for, we have a wide range of 3D printers that can meet your needs. For small assembly fixtures, we have our F123 series, all the way up to our F900, which is great for larger tools. Stratasys offers a wide range of 3D printing materials. For most assembly fixtures, ASA and polycarbonate are going to be great options. But for assembly fixtures that require higher strength, stiffness, and durability, we would recommend going with nylon 12 carbon fiber. Stratasys' GrabCAD print software not only allows us to simplify the workflow to go from CAD to part, but we can also use it to reduce the weight while increasing strength and stiffness in critical areas of the tool. To recap, additive manufacturing allows you to create assembly fixturing more efficiently by reducing the cost, time, and weight.